what is the role of ARCs in resolution of stressed assets, including under regional insolvency and bankruptcy code. If I step back for a moment, if we see both the legislations, one is which is 2002, which came in 2002, SARFAESI Act, and another is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. In both the legislations, more or less, they go hand in hand. The objective of the objective of both the legislations are reorganization and recovery. So the function is slightly different. Otherwise, ultimate objective is more or less same. If you see, as is clear from the multitude of applicable provisions under SARFAESI Act, the role of ARC is to acquire stressed assets, non-performing assets from various banks and financial institutions, manage them in such a fashion, and to enable it to revive and restore and concomitantly pay off the antecedent investments of the lenders. Similarly, is the IBC code. So in this regard, if we say there is a convergence of the way they function, we note that ARC has the right to initiate and participate in the resolution processes contemplated under the IBC code. So there is slight difficulty, of course, which I will come later. But if you see section 29A of the code, it clearly allows it comes under a financial entity. So as such, there is no difficulty, there is no problem. So IBC doesn't have any difficulty in allowing ARCs to become a resolution applicant rather. However, there is some difficulty, as I was saying, in section 10 of SARFAESI Act, where the functions of ARC is given. And if it goes beyond that, then there is an approval mechanism. So that is an area which needs to be tweaked and possibly harmonized, in my view. Otherwise, both the acts, in my view, are the objective, the genesis are same, and the objective are more or less, they are harmonized. What is happening, if you see the recovery percentage through, there are four ways, there are four tools rather in the sphere of stressed assets.
Right, sir.
Your DRT, your under the IBC, and the small other code, and another thing. So, but if more or less, if you see, there is no continuous pattern in the recovery. Sometimes the recovery is good in some ways, in some tools, and sometimes it is not that great. But currently, Gupta ji, if I go, currently the recovery as per the bankruptcy is a significant percentage. It has gone up compared to the other tools. So if you compare ARCs, which is in the range of, which was usually hovers around in the range of 25-30%, but in bankruptcy it is far higher than that. It has touched around 40% or so.